Eat something, bitch. What's up with it? What's up with it, everybody? It's your boy RDR, and welcome back to RDR Food Reviews. And as you can see right here in front of your face, and at the bottom of the screen today, your boy RDR is having a KFC Cheesy Chicken Mukbang. That's right, KFC Cheesy Chicken Mukbang. Or just KFC Mukbang. So I was in the mood for KFC today, and I had to get some of that extra crispy original, that Nashville Hot, which is my favorite, whip with some cheese sauce, a different brand. I don't know why I'm switching up, trying a different type of cheese sauce. Of course, I haven't tried the spicy mac and cheese ball. I had tried the original version, so I'm gonna try that today. Of course, I got some high quality H2O on the side. And that's what we got here going today. So if this is your first time coming to RDR Food Reviews, I am your host, Roberto Del Rio, aka RDR. And this is RDR Food Reviews. I not only just do food reviews, I do storytime videos, mukbangs, whatever, versus videos, challenge videos, vlog videos, which I need to get up on that. The works. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button at the top, the notification bell over here on my other shoulder, so you can get the latest, greatest RDR Food Reviews. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me at Roberto Del Rio 86. And that's pretty much what we got here going on today. So let's go ahead and get a quick moment of prayer. Father, bless this food I'm about to receive. Help this food nourish my body, make me strong as a person, strong as a man. And bless those that are hungry as I pray that you please find them something to eat in your holy, gracious mighty name we pray. Amen. Love you, Father. All right, now. So we got the prayer out the way. Let's get a quick thumbnail real quick. Let's see if I can move this up real quick. Cheese sauce over here. Smells good though. I want you to see that. Got the cheese sauce. This bowl is hot, bitch! Damn, why do I do that to myself? Alright, let's go ahead and let the battle commence. Of course, I got to get some of this. The cheese sauce is a bit out of whack. Let me get this going, because this is going to be a messy situation. Ain't nothing like dunking some cheese sauce. Hope y'all got that. Something about to love it. Not really a big fan. Of this cheese sauce version. I ain't gonna out you. Just know it's not close enough for jab. Type of cheese sauce you would get at a Little League game or something like that, where they give you some some watery ass cheese. Disregard technical error. One thing, I'm glad I got this. It's KFC chicken. Hot and fresh. It's about as close and juicy as you would from Church's. It's major respect. I'll tell you why I gotta go back and get some chicken up. That Bonbon's chicken place. That chicken place Well, I got that Korean fried chicken. That was like chicken of the year right there. So good. All right, screw it. Go in for the big bitchki. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Nashville hot. Flood it up. Toasty. Let's go ahead and taste it by itself. Isn't she lovely? I should have just asked for thighs because over time, I stopped liking breasts as much. Not pause. Not like, you know what I mean. I'm talking about breast chicken. You gotta clarify yourself these days. It's just one video about some damn sausage and cheese. Some cutties that mom was in the gut. Oh yeah, shout out to my cutty from Philly, Spanish Pisces. Asking me how, you know, pretty much to get started to do mukbanging or, you know, YouTube period. I told Kay she's gonna be a future star. I really mean that, cuz if you've been doing this for a little bit, you kind of can tell who's gonna be a rising star or that next one up. And the people that have the potential, you know what I mean? Because doing mukbangs is not hard, but there is keys and keys you need to know about to do it. And that's true. You got to know the keys because some people, they just do mukbangs to do it and then they not get the results. Like they go in and try to do seafood boils and think they're going to become B-Love's life overnight, and it's not going to work like that. The reason why we like people like B-Love's life is the personality. I'm attracted to it, you know? Just a wonderful person. Oh yeah, and speaking of her, I definitely purchased, she just put out on Amazon her new Smackalicious sauce. I definitely had to cop that along with a whole bunch of other people that I saw. Are pretty amazing. All these other niggas that's making sausage and shit, I can almost 100% guarantee you that that shit ain't never gonna get sold on by a major company and put on Amazon. And that's respectfully. Because there's something about that sauce when she made it, when she put that recipe together. It just changed boys' lives. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, so this right here is that new spicy mac and cheese bowl. Hopefully y'all can get a good look at that. Let me down in the comment section and let me know if you've tried it. Of course. It's just like I expected. Except the macaroni and cheese is a bit watery. I ain't put enough cheese in here either. I mean, they did enough for the present. That spice kicked your boy in the throat. It did enough for the presentation, but and all that. There she is. I love them thighs. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite part of the chicken that you like. Something about the skin. Even though people know like the skin is not the most healthiest part, it's all about the skin. So if you're a young YouTuber and you're talking about doing mukbangs or whatever, man, make sure you show yourself. Show your personality so you can attract other people with the same personality and you can grow a base, a really big solid base. Be careful what you ask for too. You asking for fast success, it might come and it might overwhelm you. And then your rivals are gonna become, your idols are gonna become your rivals. You know what I'm saying? And never ever get too big-headed. Don't get level-headed. Like, don't get too big-headed. But think you're bigger than the channel. Because the same people that make you are the same people that can break you. Yeah, subs will let you know real quick if you done changed up. For sure. Ain't no one. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Oh, that big bitch right there. I don't know if I can do that. Yeah, the moment you stop having fun doing YouTube is when you're going to lose your passion and your drive. You know? So you need to always have fun and not let yourself get bored with doing it. Because you got to remember what you do it for. And the cool thing about YouTube is you're going to meet so many cool people from all over the world. So, I think that cheese made me full, and the mac and cheese made me full. Can't go no further, boss. I was tired. And who would have thought? You would have got me like that. I ain't gonna become no food challenge legend no time soon. ultra refreshing. Thank you everybody for watching my KFC cheesy chicken mukbang video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy RDR, and like I always say, man, hey look, food is a gift. So please give thanks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you don't like this video, if you don't like this content, go on, hit it with a thumbs down. No matter, I'm going to love you like I always have. It's your boy RDR. I'm signing up out of here. God bless y'all. Take care already. I love you guys, and I'm going to see y'all soon. God bless y'all, and good night.